Hello, kids. Let's practice simple I love sentences to talk about the people and things we love. I love my family.
I love my family.
I love my mother.
I love my mother.
I love my father.
I love my father.
I love my friends.
I love my friends.
I love my teacher.
I love my teacher.
I love my school.
I love my school.
I love my toys.
I love my toys.
I love my books.
I love my books.
I love chocolate.
I love chocolate.
I love ice cream.
I love ice cream.
I love fruits.
I love fruits.
I love animals.
I love animals.
I love cartoons.
I love cartoons.
I love playing.
I love playing.
I love reading.
I love reading.
I love drawing.
I love drawing.
I love singing.
I love singing.
I love dancing.
I love dancing.
I love learning.
I love learning.
I love my home.
I love my home.
Hello kids, thanks for watching our videos. Many of you haven't subscribed yet. Please like, share and subscribe. It really helps and means a lot for us.